Forever by your side. Forever, my flavor. Forever by your side. Forever, my flavor. From the last day to what's up, my people from Edmonton? So just so you know, August 29th, next Friday, Big Fizzo will be here in Edmonton at CK Radio stage. So regular tickets are $50 and VIP is $80. So I'm super excited to turn up with him. I'm super excited to turn up with y'all. I haven't been on stage in a minute. So if you guys don't know him, he's a superstar from Burundi. That's where I'm from, and he makes Afrobeat music. So if you want to turn up and listen to some East Side African music, so come and turn up with me. It's gonna be live, it's gonna be great, it's gonna be great vibes. You're really gonna see all the culture. So CKU Radio, $50 per ticket and $80 for VIP. So I hope to see you guys all there.
Baramukije ndabaramukije ni Madame Joa imuhira media ndaramukije abarundi mwese muri mu mpera zine z'isi ndaramukije abarundi mwese bumva ururimi rw'ikirundi. Ego barababwiye ko muri Edmonton turindiriye igikorwa gikomeye le 29 ibintu bizaba bishushe, azoba ari vendredi, abantu bazaba bavuye ku kazi barindiriye ibintu bikomeye cyane. Ego tuvuye kuri aeroport gutegera wa muririmbyi ukeneye cyane. Nagiye kuri aeroport kugira ndabyibonere mbone hema z'ukuri ko Big Fizzo yashoboye gushika. Tuvuga ati reka ngende ari ahantu bamutumiye abasitari bose muri Edmonton, baramutumira ati Big Fizzo tutegeza kukwakira. Ego tukwakire mwe mukurikirane rero ndabereke ndabemeze neza ko Big Fizzo yaje. Murabibonye ni mubirabe neza mwese.
You understand?
Hello, reka tubaramutse.
What's up?
Yeah. Ego cyane Big Fizzo hari abantu benshi bavuga ngo ibintu sivyo ngo ba Edmonton barakunda kwita papa bagatumira abantu tugasanga ntibaje, bakidumo barabatumye ntibaje, bande bose mbega ninde Ben yagira yaza abantu bose barasiba bacavuga ati mwe muri ko muratubesha Fizzo ntaza. Fizzo bemeze kuri ngaha
Adisa babibonye
no Benes
I'm in your town.
Ego.
You better get your fucking ticket, bro.
Yo, mana yaje we. Turi kumwe n'abandi basare, turi kumwe n'abandi baririmbyi ngo abasare bose baherekeje Big Fizzo.
Those are my G's. Yeah.
Fizzo, present abantu bose baza kuririmba kamera. You need.
Yo, my name is Badman Lee.
Akakara uducisha no kugira bavyemere. Ado bari baza gukora mu gitoro.
Yeah, Banyitali, Mr. Wivichari, yeah, umubiri, imunduraza abagore b'ikigali. Yeah.
Batse abazosiba bose turi kumwe.
Levenef.
Abasaka hari undi musitari mana yanje nyaruka mama. Nyaruka wowe nyene. Mama Logi indirimbo ziwe. Yeah. Indirimbo ziwe bemeze. Akunda kujya none yanze we none uzafata mikro wewe urisira.
Yo, Edmonton, we in the house.
Yeah, Edmonton in the house. Mokonzi Masi is going to be there. Indirimbo yitwa Waje.
Impaka gato kuno tumwe mugabirimbe yose mocho basiba kabiri.
Mi amor. Oh, mi amor. Mi amor means my love.
Oh, mi amore. Mi amore.
Yabonye Big Fizzo avuye muri Italia cyangwa muri Italiano. Nako konyene ari.
Yo, pula.
Italy sono italiani. Yes. Witwa Mokonzi Mwasi. Check me out on YouTube. Subscribe.
Ego. Nawe kariri jiji shakasize ntaco nako nyene kazoza nako mzobakurikirana nuko rero murakoze mwese Imana ibahezagire Fizzo muraje kumubona hezagirwa